everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the automotive enthusiasts out there. We'll be doing a comprehensive review and comparison of two powerful diagnostic tools, the Autel Ms908Cv and the LAUNCH X431 V+. So, if you're looking for the perfect tool to diagnose heavy-duty vehicles, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the Autel Ms908Cv. This cutting-edge diagnostic tool is designed specifically for commercial vehicles, such as trucks and buses. It comes with a wide range of features that make it a favorite among professional mechanics and fleet managers. The Autel Ms908Cv offers extensive vehicle coverage, including all major heavy-duty vehicle manufacturers. With its advanced capabilities, it can perform a variety of functions such as reading and clearing fault codes, accessing live data streams, performing advanced ECU coding, and much more. Now, let's move on to the LAUNCH X431 V+. This diagnostic tool is known for its versatility and compatibility with both light-duty and heavy-duty vehicles. It boasts a sleek design and an intuitive user interface, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The LAUNCH X431 V+ provides a wide range of diagnostic functions, including module coding, active testing, and adaptation. It supports extensive vehicle coverage for various manufacturers, making it a suitable choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Now that we have briefly introduced both the Autel Ms908Cv and the LAUNCH X431 V+, let's compare their key features to help you make an informed decision. As you can see, both diagnostic tools offer impressive features, but they do have their differences. The Autel Ms908Cv excels in terms of heavy-duty vehicle coverage and advanced coding capabilities. On the other hand, the LAUNCH X431 V+ stands out with its versatility and compatibility with both light-duty and heavy-duty vehicles. In terms of user experience, both tools provide intuitive interfaces and easy navigation. However, the Autel Ms908Cv has a larger display, which can be advantageous for viewing complex data and graphs. The LAUNCH X431 V+, on the other hand, offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to perform diagnostics remotely. Both the Autel Ms908Cv and the LAUNCH X431 V+ are powerful diagnostic tools that cater to different needs within the automotive industry. The Autel Ms908Cv is specifically designed for heavy-duty vehicles and offers extensive vehicle coverage, advanced coding capabilities, and a larger display for easier data analysis. On the other hand, the LAUNCH X431 V+ is a versatile tool suitable for both light-duty and heavy-duty vehicles with a user-friendly interface and wireless connectivity. When deciding between the two, it's crucial to consider your specific requirements, budget, and the types of vehicles you'll be working with. If you primarily deal with heavy-duty vehicles and require advanced coding features, the Autel Ms908Cv might be the ideal choice. However, if you work with a variety of vehicle types and prioritize versatility, compatibility, and wireless connectivity, the LAUNCH X431 V+ could be the better option for you. Regardless of your choice, both tools are backed by reputable manufacturers and offer exceptional performance in diagnosing and troubleshooting automotive issues. It's always recommended to conduct further research, read customer reviews, and seek advice from professionals to ensure you make the most suitable decision for your specific needs. Ultimately, choosing between the Autel Ms908Cv and the LAUNCH X431 V+ depends on your individual requirements, budget, and the types of vehicles you'll be working with. Both tools offer exceptional performance and are backed by reputable manufacturers. We hope this review and comparison have provided valuable insights into the Autel Ms908Cv and the LAUNCH X431 V+. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Remember, a reliable diagnostic tool is a crucial investment for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic. Drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting videos.